So I'm out here today with BMW's S1000R. What a great bike it is. Can you imagine what an M1000R would look like? I did. The S1000R was launched back in 2014 and it's been a popular choice for many riders. The latest version is based on the S1000RR fully faired sports bike. It's got the same inline-4 engine, but like many super nakeds, it's been retuned for a bit more mid-range instead of that top-end sports bike rush. It actually does away with the shift cam system, so it doesn't rev as high, which means it makes less power, around 160 at the back wheel compared to 200 horsepower for the RR. It got an update in 2017 and again in 2021 with an all-new engine and chassis from the RR. Now this latest bike might be a decent road bike, but it's not really standing out from the competition. The likes of the Aprilia Tuono, Ducati Streetfighter, KTM SuperDuke and Yamaha MT10 are all bikes that are arguably more involving to ride, that make the same or more power and are less, how we say it, clinical. Plus of course, people haven't been bowled over by the headlight design of the bike, criticising it as being a bit too bland. You can see they've got a point. It's identical to the headlight on the twin-cylinder F900R, which in itself isn't a bad thing, but when you're aiming for the same market as the Streetfighters and the Tuonos of this world, which have an obvious link to their sports bike brothers, you have to wonder why BMW didn't choose the same route with the S1000R and mimic the RR headlight design. I mean, they've already done most of the work with the rest of the styling, so why stop at the headlight design? Anyway, like many people, I reckon BMW missed a trick. But the good news is, they could fix that by doing what they've done with the S1000RR sports bike. That is, they made an even higher performance version and called it an M1000RR. This was a version of the bike with better brakes, less weight, more power, a more tunable engine and winglets. So if you like the sound of an M1000R super naked, here's what it could look like. So what do you think? Do BMW need to make an M1000R superbike? Does it even need more power? Does it need the shift cam engine? Let us know in the comments below. Cheers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my work, hit that subscribe button too. Cheers.